Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Today we're going to make meatballs. This is something I'll put inside my wontons, but we don't have any wonton wrappers. I tried to make some at home and it wasn't as hard as I thought, but to make them perfect will require a lot of practice. If you do want to see a video of me making wonton wrappers, please let me know and leave a comment down below. Without the wonton skin, this makes it more friendly for people who are sensitive to gluten, and to make it completely gluten-free, take out the soya sauce and swap it for more salt and pepper. So let's get started. You will need 250 grams of minced pork, 70 grams of raw, peeled and diced prawns, about 80 grams of finely chopped spring onions, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of salt. Add the prawns and spring onions to the pork and mix it well. I prefer to use my hands, but a spatula is fine too. Add the corn flour into the mixture. Again, mix it well so all the flour is combined into the mixture. When you no longer see any flour, add in the soya sauce, sesame oil, garlic powder and salt. Mix it well so it's all combined. Now that it's all mixed together, we're ready to roll them into balls. But first we will need to line the steamer with lettuce or grease-proof paper so it won't stick to the bottom. If you are using lettuce, make sure you remove it from the steamer as soon as you're done, otherwise it will dry up and stick. Use a tablespoon to help you guide the amount of meat mixture you need so the meatballs are all of similar size. Roll the mixture into a ball and then place them into the steamer, making sure they're not touching each other. When I get to the end, I like to roll up the leftover bits into the ones which look slightly smaller so there's no wastage and all the meatballs are still of similar size. Once everything has been rolled up, we are ready to steam. Boil some water and put your steamer on top. Put on the lid and steam for about 10 minutes. The meatballs are ready now. I have served this with an easy dipping sauce, soya sauce mixed with sriracha. You can make this in batches and then freeze it raw. Then steam it directly from the freezer. It will take longer to cook, but just cut one open and make sure it's fully cooked before you serve. This is a really simple recipe with a short cooking time, so why don't you try this at home? If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!